I request Sri S.P. Srinivasan too to come up on stage. Dr. Deshpande is Honorary Director of the Dr. P.V. Kane Institute, the Asiatic Society of Mumbai. She is adjunct faculty of the Department of Sanskrit at Mumbai University. Dr. Deshpande has done a PhD thesis on Vedic myths and legends. Prior to the position she holds now, she was Assistant Director at the Somaiya Center for Buddhist Studies. She has conducted many programs on All India Radio based on Sanskrit classical works. We now request Dr. Deshpande to felicitate Vasudha's Guruji, Sri S.P. Srinivasan. Dr. Deshpande will now offer a bouquet to Srimati Vidya Devarajan. To our Mridangist, Sri Satish. Our violinist, Sri Shekhar Tanjorkar. And our flautist, Sri Bhaskar. Could I request Dr. Deshpande now to speak a few words to the audience? Thank you.
आंगिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादीं तं नुमः सात्विकं शिवम्. Namo Namaha. Good evening. Friends, we have been watching the picturesque poses, the vivacious gestures, and the sparkling eyes of Vasudha that tells a plenty. Vasudha's dynamic performance in its pristine form literally spellbound us for last 1.5 hours. Wrapped in bright colored Kanjivaram silk sari, decked in typical temple jewelry, and most important, drenched in bhava and rasa, she showed us what the art of Bharatanatyam can do. Amalgamation of bhava, rasa, tala, and natya, Bharatanatyam is a stupendous classical dance of India, known for its elegance, grace, and magnificence. With its rich history and tradition, this dance has contributed immensely to the cultural fabric of our nation. Being a celestial dance form that embodies the cosmic relationship of Natya and Abhinaya, its significance lies in the name itself. Bharatanatyam. Here Bha stands for Bhava, that is expression, Ra for Raga, that is melody, and Ta for Tala, that is rhythm. It is one such dance form which has not lost its charm even after changing times because of its equal emphasis on nritta, that is pure dance form, nritya, that is facial expressions, and natya, that is dramatic form. Its origin can be traced back to the text of Natya Shastra composed by Bharata Muni somewhere around 3rd century BC. It is said there that Lord Creator, on the request of gods, prepared this 5th Natya Veda. He took the dialogues from Rigveda, melody from Samaveda, enactment from Yajurveda, and rasa, that is sentiment, from Atharva Veda. Jagraha Pathyam Rigvedat, Samabhyo Geetameva cha, Yajurvedad Abhinayam, Rasan Atharvanadapi, and thus he prepared this 5th Natya Veda. And then he called the sage Bharata to perform it in front of Lord Shiva. This production was mostly dramatic. Shiva modified it to include an aspect of dance into it. Not only Bharatanatyam, but all the classical dance form can be traced back to it. It is a kind of text for all the Indian performing arts. The different classical dance forms like Odissi, Mohini Attam, and others arose from the Natya Shastra of Bharata Muni because of the regional preferences and differences. 6,000 verses divided into 36 chapters. The text describes the theory of so many things related to dance, Tandava dance, the 4 types of Abhinaya about which it is said in the beginning verse, Aharya, Angika, Vachika, Satvika, etc. These Abhinayas are there, and then there is most important the theory of Rasa and Bhava, gestures, acting techniques, basic steps, and standing postures, all of which are the part of classical Indian dances. It is said there, Yatra Hastaha, Tatra Drishtihi, Yatra Drishtihi, Tatra Manaha, Yatra Manaha, Tatra Bhavaha, and Yatra Bhavaha, Tatra Rasaha. Dance and performing arts, Bharata Muni says, are a form of expression of spiritual ideas, virtues, and essence of scriptures. And there is a theory behind doing it. Unlike the other dance forms, the Bharatanatyam dancer learns this theory before practicing it. Bharatanatyam is a type of a dance where there is an application of theory to the dance form. You just can't merely at random perform the mudras of your choice on the adau and dance like an expert dancer. Every mudra has a meaning and can be applied based on the requirement of the dance itself, dance item. So, only if one knows the theory of mudras, you can apply it rightly. Dance is like a poetry, you know. The theory in Bharatanatyam is no less. The verses have meaning that are interpreted by the medium, and the medium is who? The medium is the dancer. The theory helps the dancer to unravel the hidden meanings of the recital. So Bharatanatyam dancers are obliged to know the theory of recital before performance on the stage, for it enables the dancer to execute the performance with expertise, and there where the importance of Guru is there and where the importance of Guru is felt. This is what the Guru does for the dancer, and we have been witnessing this. Another significant importance of the theory of Bharatanatyam is to help the dancers with the bhavas. Now, since emotions, bhava, complement in overall performance of dance, they come best only if the dancer has the first-hand knowledge of the theory associated with each bhava. And then only it is through the bhava rasa is invoked in the minds of the spectators. Every dancer is therefore obliged to study the nuances of rasa theory before its execution in the performance of dance. Thus, the abhinaya can be improvised by fusing your theoretical knowledge into it. As I mentioned before, Bharatanatyam is not mere dancing, as it is a potpourri of dance, music and drama. It relies on Carnatic music. The steps and the jatis are styled based on the music. A deep-seated knowledge in the theory of music helps in the performance for the dancer. And this all I was experiencing, rather we all were experiencing in Vasudha's dance today, in the dance performance of Vasudha. She has shown and exhibited that she is not just a dancer, but also an expert at the theoretical aspect of this ancient dance form. Here I recollect the words of Bala Saraswati, the erudite exponent of this dance style. She says that Bharatanatyam is an art which consecrates the body. The dancer who dissolves her identity in rhythm and music makes her body an instrument, at least during the performance of dance, for the experience and expression of the spirit. This is so true in case of Vasudha's dance. We also saw just now the traditional order which was being explained to the narration of this dance program. Alaripu, Jatiswaram, Shabdam, Varanam, Padam, Tillana, and the final shloka as its climax. So this sequence is important as it begins with a metric, then simple melody, then comes the musical melody, and at the end, non-metric song, that is verse, that is Tillana. This is a kind of yoga. This is a kind of an artistic yoga with the ascending order for revealing the spiritual, the celestial through the corporeal. I congratulate Vasudha and her guru, Sri S.P. Srinivasan, and his daughter Vidya, then who guided Vasudha to display this wonderful completeness and symmetry in this art form. I also appreciate and congratulate Vasudha's parents, especially Mother Vaijayanti and Ramesh, for instilling in her this passion with right inculcation of the refinement from her parents, such an exponent teacher, the competent musicians. Vasudha has mastered the art form of Bharatanatyam, which has become a medium to lead us all, the whole of the audience, to an uplifting experience, elevating both of us, the dancer and the spectators. I think I should not take much time because we have to watch few more performances of Vasudha. But here I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Vasudha's parents for giving me this privilege to be here and to express or to share my views with you. Here I remember my teacher's words. When I completed my doctoral studies, he told me, no, this is not the end. Now this is the beginning. In the same words, I would like to tell Vasudha that now this is the beginning of your career as a dancer. So let all of us wish all the bright success in all her future endeavors. Once again, I congratulate the parents and gurus and take care. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Deshpande, for your kind words of appreciation. You have brought a completely new scholarly perspective to this Arangetram, and we are happy for this facet that you have provided. Thank you, and thank you, Sri Srinivasan. Now, Vasudha's mother, Vaijayanti, would like to present Dr. Deshpande a bouquet as a token of her appreciation. That is Vasudha's cousin. We now have a short break while Vasudha gets ready for the second half of the performance. Thank you.
Uncle. நீயே துணை என்பதுரைவாள் மீனலோசனி தேவி நீயே துணை என்பதுரைவாள் மீனலோசனி
This item is followed by the eyes that have beheld the beauty of Ranganatha at Sri Rangam. Ranganatha is Krishna, the one who stole my heart. They now cannot be cast on anything else. After this verse follows one stanza from the Tirupavai, written by Andal, the only woman saint among the 12 Alvars. This tells the tale of Krishna, born in one place to Devaki, secreted away to another place to be brought up by Yashodha, and destined to become a terror to the evil king Kamsa. Alvar Pasuram.
கொண்டல் வண்ணனை கோவலனாய் வளைகுண்ட வாயன் கொண்டல் வண்ணனை வளைகுண்ட வாயன் என் உள்ளம் கவர்ந்தானே என் உள்ளம் கவர்ந்தானே அண்டர்கோன் அணியரங்கன் அமுதினை கண்ட கண்கள் மற்றும் தினை காணவே அண்டர்கோ அணியரங்கன் என் அமுதினை கண்ட கண்கள் மற்றொன்றினை காணாவே மற்றொன்றினை காணாவே ஒரு திமகனாய் பிறந்து ஓரிரவில் ஒரு திமகனாய் உயிர்த்து வளர ஒரு திமகனாய் பிறந்து ஓரிரவில் ஒரு திமகனாய் உயிர்த்து வளர
We now come to the last item of this performance, the Tillana. This is a dance of joy. It is brisk and lively and plays around with tala-like sounds and rhythms. This Tillana ends with a pallavi in praise of Lord Venkateshwara. Ragam Kamas Aditalam, composition by Patnam Subramanyayar. Please do not rush out after this performance. Vasudha's mother Vaijayanti would like to give a vote of thanks to everybody, and this will be followed by the Mangalam, which invokes benediction for everybody. Following the Mangalam, there will be dinner at the nearby Bengal Association Hall, which can be accessed from this building itself. The hall is Bengali, the food is South Indian. Good night.
தாம் 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 உதனித்தும் தனனம் ததரதேம் நதரதிர்தும் தனன தாம் 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 உதனித்தும் தனனம் ததரதேம் நதரதிர்தும் தனன தாம் 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 உதனித்தும் தனனம் ததரதேம் நதரதிர்தும் தனன தாம் 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 உதனித்தும் தனனம்
Thank you all. First and foremost, my thanks to Guru Sri Srinivasan, Mrs. Sita Lakshmi Srinivasan, who have guided Vasudha through 7 years, patiently guiding her through each step, and Vidya Devarajan for joining us today just in time for Vasudha's Arangetram. I just can't thank her enough for that. And on Mridangam, the violin, the flute, all the members of the orchestra. I know it is not easy to play to a rookie who has just come and did the first performance. Thank you for supporting her so much. And then my teacher and my director, Dr. Parinita Deshpande, for accepting my invitation, coming all the way, staying here and delivering a wonderful speech. Thank you, ma'am. We have been really inspired. We have been listening to you in our classes. Thank you so much for coming and speaking here today. And then my photographer friend Manoj Patil and all others who supported us here today, the caterers and my friends, thank you so much for coming here today. It wouldn't have been a show of this sort without your support. For all of you being here, thank you so much. And finally, my family, wonderful strength of support. And my mother who's here. Without her, Vasudha's training wouldn't have been possible. She would make sure that Vasudha attended each class, did her best, and put her through all the rigors these years. And my late father, who has been guiding us, who has been our inspiration in all art, philosophy, literature, whatever we are here today, it is all because of him. And I thank all the members of my family, my uncles, aunts, who have all come all the way from Chennai to be here with us today. Thank you so much. And thanks to my friend Kripa Raman, who has been a compere here and being of such a wonderful support. Being a dancer herself, she could understand every nuance, guide Vasudha, guide us all, and be here with us today. Thank you so much. Thank God.
नंद गोप कुमरक नवनीत चूरन 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 कुंती जमदारन की बाजन का पुरवादन मंगलम
Please join us for dinner.